And now, very importantly, and this goes to that question of all these anecdotes that we're hearing from different oncologists around the country and the world, literally. I got a very interesting note from a family doc that's been in Ireland for 40 years. He knows his community, knows his patients, and he said, hey, a lot of my patients are getting the shot, some aren't, but in those that are, and then he listed the number of cancers he's seen in a 6-week period of time that he's never seen in a 40-year career. And
Wow.
so he asked what could be causing that. So I sent him that paper as a potential mechanism because that toll-like receptor number 4 is critical in the microenvironment to keep cancers in check. So I was talking to Harvey Risch, the world-renowned epidemiologist. He said, well, post a shot or a therapy, it's usually going to be 5-10 years till we see these signals. And I said, yeah, usually it would be. But when we have something we've never done before that's suddenly suppressing one of these receptors that's highly, highly responsible for keeping cancers in check, it would be very explicable as to why something that is quiescent all of a sudden wakes up. So, I mean, all day long, our cells are fighting off mutations in different cells. If they see the mutation, they'll try to kill that cell. If this receptor is downregulated, then all those downstream molecules inside that cell that's fighting there, it can't fight because those signals are now turned off. The cytokines, the interferons, the things that will attack that atypical cell. So we're seeing the early signals of this. And so that's what's concerning is we want to be able to, under the microscope, here's a whole stack of tumors in the last couple of weeks where what am I doing with
Wow.
these? I'm looking at the ratios of the helper T cells, the CD8 killer T cells, and then we'll be staining these for all of these toll-like receptors as well. Because in some of these patients, again, inexplicable cancers at really unusual ages that are really thick cancers and really aggressive cancers compared to what we are used to seeing in the lab.